So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and sign in TurboTax on your PC with license code. And how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is go over to your browser and type TurboTax software download, and then just click on the first link. Now click on TurboTax software and then click on TurboTax basic. You can select all the products, but I'll go with this. Now select your device, and then once you click on your device, it will automatically start download. After downloading, just double click on the setup file, and then it will extract the files. And now what you need to do is accept the license agreement, click next, install, and then it will open like this. What you need to do is click on create an account and then create your account, and then once you create your account, you have to log in with your newly created account, and then it will be ready to use. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.